Tenses, future continuous. 5 practice exercises. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Fill in the blank with the correct form. She will be walks, to school at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Answer: she will be walking to school at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Choose the correct verb form. They will be play soccer at 4 p.m. next Saturday. Answer: they will be playing soccer at 4 p.m. next Saturday. Complete the sentence. He will be eats breakfast when you arrive. Answer: he will be eating breakfast when you arrive. Pick the correct form. We will be studies English at this time next week. Answer: we will be studying English at this time next week. Correct the sentence. She will be does her homework when you call her. Answer: she will be doing her homework when you call her. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.